This video will show the proper installation of Teletilt actuators. With the jam nut on the table, place it with the circle imprints facing up. Remove the backing from the adhesive ring. Attach it to the jam nut. Pull out the down tilt adjuster and remove the knob from the end. Remove the compression nut. Underneath the compression nut is a compression ring. Make sure this is also removed. Install the rubber boot. Place it back up against the antenna interface. Install the jam nut, the pre-installed silicone washer. Thread this all the way up to the rubber boot. Install the actuator. Hold the down tilt rod, maximum 3/4 turn. Be sure the actuator has a hold of the rod. Push it all the way forward. Continue threading the actuator onto the antenna. When it becomes snug, back it up so the flat plane of the actuator matches the flat plane of the antenna. Then tighten the jam nut to the actuator. Once this is tight, take the rubber boot, thread the rubber boot and twist it so that it covers the full assembly. Next, we'll connect the female end of the REC control cable, which is keyed on the cable and on the actuator. Line up the keys, press forward, thread the assembly tight.